Tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Kiabi promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search up Kiabi promo code. And once that is done, you're gonna click on the first website, everysavings.ae. You're gonna click on it. So once you've clicked on that, you're gonna see many coupon codes, but these are for the UAE. So the first one is get 10% off full priced items with this coupon code. So to get it, you can just click show coupon code, and that's the coupon code for getting a 10% off. So you can click copy, which is automatically gonna copy it, and then you can click continue to the website, which is gonna redirect you to their official website. There you can choose your products and use this code at checkout for a 10% off. Similarly, there are many other codes. For example, buy 2 get 4 on all discounted items. For that, this is the coupon code, so you do the same steps, copy and go to the site and paste it at checkout. Alright, so get up to 60% off menswear and women's wear. So this is an ongoing deal on the website, so you can directly go there and claim this discount. So there is no code needed for this. So let's say if I click get discount, it's directly going to take me to the website, so I don't need anything for that. So now I'm going to head over to some other website and show you a few more codes. There is this website coupon.ae. You're going to go here. So I'm going to wait for the website to load. So once I'm here, I'm going to scroll down. Alright, so the first one is up to 75% off plus extra 10% off on everything. So you can click show coupon code, and I'm gonna wait for it. And this is the coupon code for that, CAE. So copy it and follow the same steps, go to the store, and yeah, I'm gonna scroll down, and there are many other coupon codes as well, so you can explore all of these and see whether they work. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.